Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And as you see in front of you, this is my small brother feeding the young one of a sheep. And now say your name. Wonderful. Now behind you, that is the rest of the sheep, and we have some goats. Not so many goats. So if you want to help us reach 1,000 subscribers, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.